Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are always in a good condition. Welcome to Math Learning. You are with me, Tantinira, number 1802-101010 and 9 in C class, Faculty of Mathematics Teaching and Education Training, Jember University. In this video, we will learn about MATIC, mathematics geometry about circle. By the way, thank you so much for MATIC Mathematics Teaching Contest 2020 for help this program. I hope this program will be success now in the future. Okay, come back to mathematics lesson. After watching this video, I hope you will know about the part of the circle, the concept of pi, the area, the circumference of any circle. We learned a lot about geometry so far, but there is one really important shape and also change human design differentiation. What is shape that? Yes, that shape is circle. Since the past until now, circles are often used and extremely important in humanity. In fact, many objects around that have basic shapes in circles, such as bangles, rings, coins, pizza, pearls, and etc. But in mathematics, what is the circle? In geometry, a circle is defined as a set of all points that are equidistant from a single point. How to understand it? Consider the following illustration. For example, A is a single point. And now, let's draw another points that are equidistant from a single point. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and keep on going. The more points that we add, the more patterns look like a circle. We cannot see how many points in there because there are infinitely points to draw the circle. Do you understand? Okay, good job for you. Next, we will learn about the part of the circle. Circle is a closed figure made up of points in a plane that are at the same distance from a single point, called the center of the circle. The constant distance from its center is called the radius of the circle. In the figure, the green line is the radius of the circle. A line segment joining 2 points on a circle is called the chord of the circle. In the figure, the maroon line is the chord of the circle. If the chord passes through the center, then it is the longest chord. We can say that the longest chord is the diameter. And we can see that the diameter equals 2 times radius. A continuous piece on a circle is called an arc, and the perimeter of the circle is called the circumference. We can calculate the circumference of any circle. But before that, we have to know about pi. Pi is a very special number. This is the symbol of pi number. But if pi is just a number, why pi is separated in the symbol? That's a good question. Let's solve the problem. But before that, we have to know about what pi really is. Pi is really a ratio. Basically, the ratio is just a relationship between two numbers written like a fraction. The relationship between distance around the circle to the distance across the circle. So pi is the relationship between circumference over by diameter. But what number is it? What's the value of pi? Yes, you're right. This value is about 3.14. And we can change it by 22 over by 7. It's same number for any circle. No matter how small or large the circle is the same. Okay, based on a basic formula of pi number, pi equals circumference over by diameter. And we can get that circumference equals pi times diameter. We know that the diameter equals 2 times radius. So the circumference of any circle equals 2 times pi times radius. For example, I have a circle that the radius equals 7 centimeters. How about the circumference? The circumference of that circle equals 2 times pi times radius. It means that 2 times 3.14 times 7. Or we can calculate by 2 times 22 over by 7 times 7. So, the circumference of that circle equals 44 centimeters. Do you understand? Okay, good job, Bert. Next, we will learn about how to get the alias formula for any circle. For example, we will find the alias formula of the pizza. First step is cut the pizza into 8 equal parts. And now, arrange the 8 equal parts to be a rectangle shape. For easily, cut one part of the pizza into a half and then move the pizza into right there. Now, the area of a rectangular pizza is the same as circular pizza before. So, the circumference of the pizza equals A times B, where A is circumference over by 2 and B equals radius. So, the area of any circle equals pi times radius. We can write it by pi times radius square. Radius square just means multiply it by itself. For example, 2 square just means 2 times 2. 10 square just means 10 times 10. And r square just means r times r. Okay, for example, I have a circle that the radius equals 7 centimeters. How about the area of the circle? So the area of the circle equals pi times radius squared. This means that the area of the circle equals 22 over by 7 times 7 times 7. So the area of the circle equals 154 centimeters squared. Do you understand? Okay, good job for you. Next, I will give you the last example. There is a circle where the area of the circle equals 314 centimeters squared. How about the circumference of the circle? What's your opinion? Do you have idea to solve this problem? Okay, let's solve together. First, we have to get the radius of the circle. But how do you do? Let's check it out. You have to remember about the formula of area. So, the area's formula equals pi times radius times radius. Or we can write it by pi times radius squared. So, 314 equals 3.14 times radius squared. We can get that radius square equals 314 over by 3.14. So the radius square equals 100. This means that the radius equals 10 centimeters. After that, we can find the circumference of the circle by operating the formula. So, the circumference of the circle equals 2 times pi times radius. This means that the circumference equals 2 times 3.14 times 10. So, the circumference equals 62.8 centimeters. Do you understand? Okay, good job for you. And now, time to quiz. My friends around the city park, It is about 200 meters. How big is the city park? Okay, if you get the answer, please comment below. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.